Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Muhammad Ammar Rana and I have been working in tech for so long. Today in this channel, we are going to learn about how to create a seller account on Fiverr in order to start to earn as a developer. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you never miss any updates. So without wasting any of your precious time, let's get into the video. So right now, as you can see, I am onto the screen of Fiverr. You can get to this page by following the link that I will attach into the description of my video. So after coming to this page, you have to look for join now button, which in my case is there. Probably it would be there in your case also. So you have to simply click on this button. After this, this website will ask your email address so that it can register you. However, you can go for Google login or Apple login or Facebook login also. So right now I'm going with Google login. So here it is. Just a moment. So here I'm going to use this account for a while in order to educate you guys how you can create this account. So that's it. Here you go. You have successfully created your Fiverr account. Now what you have to do, you have to verify your email. So here you can see SEO Maniac, you need to activate your account. So you have to go into your email account and you have to wait for a while so that you can get an email from Fiverr. Let's wait for a while. Probably it will be coming. Come. So it's not coming. Resend email. Just a moment. Your account is already activated. How is it possible I haven't clicked on activate button? But okay, so if in your case the website asks you to verify your account, you just have to wait for their email in your inbox, and after receiving that email you just have to click on verify button. It will get verified automatically. So in my case it is already verified. I don't know how, luckily it is verified. So let's proceed from here. So after it, you have to simply click on your profile. Yeah, so here go for the description. Okay, so description is one of the most important point of your profile, and you have to spend a bit time over it in order to create an engaging description that can attract more customers for you. So be aware of it while creating a description. So right now here I'm gonna write, hi, this is Muhammad Ammar and I am a software engineer since 4 years. I have been working as software developer and SEO expert, and that is the reason I am very well versed to help you in your development tasks. So don't forget to consult with me regarding any issues. Thank you. I know it's a rough description right now. I have crafted this just for the sake of video. I will probably change the description afterwards, but it is just to give you an idea how you can create a description for your profile. So after writing a description for your profile, you have to simply click on update button. So yes, you have successfully added a description of your profile also. Now our third point is you have to link your accounts. Right now I'm not going to link any my Facebook or Dribble account. It's not necessary, but it is good for the authenticity of your profile. So I would recommend that you link those social profiles with the Fiverr to create authenticity of your profile. It will obviously help you to stand out from the crowd. Okay, afterwards you have to add some skills over there. Like for example, as we are going for the development task, so we will write over there Laravel framework, experience level expert, and simply add it over there. Afterwards let me add, I have seen over there PHP Laravel also, so I would add there also that one also. Go for expert level and add. Okay, so you have to add all your skills over there because it helps Fiverr to match your profile with the required skill. So it helps a lot. So you have to add this as per your qualifications or as per your expertise. Okay, after this you have to add your education. I have added Laravel framework because I am going to use this profile as a developer, so that is the reason. Let me see if I can add a software developer also. Software development, yeah, software engineering, yeah, software engineering is good also, so I'm gonna add two over there, software engineering and software development. That would obviously help to get noticed. So that's it. We have added our skills also. You have to celebrate this with your family. So afterwards, here comes an education. So if you are a freelancer without any degree, don't worry, you don't have to add any education over there. It's just for the sake of, again I would say that for the authenticity of your profile. So if you don't have any degree, no problem, you can skip this part. It will obviously help you. No issue at all. So I'm not going to add any education for you guys. Okay, so you must have to subscribe to my channel. Afterwards you have to add certification also. It would be good if you have any online certification, anything else like that. You can get these certification from Udemy courses also, or from any other online courses. So I would recommend you to get any certificate that will obviously help you in order to stand out from the crowd. But if you don't have, it doesn't matter. The thing matters the most is your skill. So enhance your skill. That would obviously help you a lot. So right now let me add, if I can search for anything, or you can write over there software developer tomato ABC company. I was just going to write the name of my company over there, so I thought why would to present you like how you can add a certification as per your qualification. So you can simply add certification like that. It will obviously help you. There is no matter over there. So that's how you have successfully created your profile. So in the next video I will obviously tell you how to create developer specific gigs to gain more sales and to become more wealthy and settled. So if you are interested in any such video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also let me know if you have liked this video. I would try to read all the comments over there. Thank you so much. Signing out till next video.